Learning to play with dogs is actually helping autistic students in Genesee County become more social. Brittany Noble spent a day in the classroom and joins us live with more in that story. Brittany?
Liz, these kids and teachers say they're finding whether you're autistic or not, the animal is still man's best friend. 2 years ago, special ed teachers at Central Elementary School in Flushing never dreamed they'd see their autistic students walking a dog.
The first time the dogs came in, it was utter chaos.
But now students are petting, feeding, and even hugging their new friends Layla and Brutus. Children enter this classroom when they're 6 and leave when they're 12, hopefully with better social skills.
Socialization is a big part of children with autism. They don't socialize with other people very often. They tend to be very solitary, play by themselves.
Do you enjoy coming to the classroom when there's dogs here?
Yes.
Of the 8 students here, everyone has a different level of autism, but that hardly matters to these USA therapy dogs.
Dogs are non-judgmental, and they don't judge the kids, they just love them.
And with these newly formed relationships, students are beginning to use their skills outside the classroom walls with people.
Then the families can take them out, and they have fewer adverse reactions to the community, and they can be more part of the family socially and not have to stay home as often. And when you work with children with ASD, you take every little improvement and you celebrate it with every child, because the smallest steps are huge steps for our students.
You happy boy now, huh?
All right, joining us live this morning is Layla and Brutus. Now, they both work for US Therapy Dogs, and they're trainers. Well, this is Anesa, and this is Jerry. Hi. And I want you guys to tell me, Jerry, why is it that you got involved in the US Therapy Dog program?
Yeah, it had been a dream of mine, and I got involved to put smiles on people's faces, kids' faces, and elderly.
Okay. Now, I want you guys to tell me, you guys have both been coming in the classroom, and you have seen the growth of these children. And I want you to tell me how they were in the very beginning to how they are now.
They were fearful at first. They didn't really know how to respond. There was a lot of screaming almost, and now the kids are even using their signing to say hello and goodbye. They're actually verbalizing their names now and speaking. Others wouldn't even come near them, and now they're taking the leashes and wanting to walk the dogs. And
right, walking the dogs. And I know that all the children are at different levels, whereas some of them, you know, even for them not to be screaming is a big deal. Is that right, Jerry?
Yes.
All right. So if you want to get involved in USA Therapy Dog program, tell us, what do we have to do?
Get on the website, which is usatherapydogs.org.
Okay. Not .com.
.org. Okay, and just contact us. There'll be information there for you to get a hold of somebody.
And our next class will be starting in February.
The next class starts in February. Okay, so if you want to join, this is how you can do it. You have to go to the website. Liz, what do you think about these dogs? I mean, they're pretty special, aren't they?
Oh, they're very special dogs. I've actually done a story with the USA Therapy Dogs at a hospital once, and they were visiting patients there, and just look at him. I feel like he's looking right through the TV at you.
Brutus right there. Brutus.
They do have a way of putting a smile on a face. Thanks a lot, Brittany, and the USA Therapy Dogs for joining us today.